Try a little experiment the next time you're at a Costco. Accept that free sample and then pay attention for the next 30 seconds. You might find yourself stopping to look at the package. You might ask a question. You might even hear yourself explaining why you're not going to buy it. But nobody asked for that explanation, so why does it feel like one is needed? This is part one of a 7-part series on the principles of influence. I'm Zach Pausman, a consumer and behavior researcher, and this is Outside Insights. Over the next few episodes, we're going to explore the 7 influence principles of Robert Cialdini. These ideas have shaped decades of research into why people say yes, how they change their minds, and how they make decisions. Once you know what to look for, you'll start spotting them in grocery stores, restaurants, advertisements, negotiations, and conversations with your coworkers. Robert Cialdini called this principle reciprocity, but you can also think of it as obligation. In one experiment, participants were invited into what they thought was a study about art. Another, who was secretly working with the researchers, stepped out for a moment and came back carrying 2 bottles of Coke. He handed one to the participant and then sat down. Later, he mentioned he was selling raffle tickets and asked if they'd buy a few. The people who had received Cokes bought significantly more tickets. That small favor changed the interaction. When someone gives us something, we often feel a pull to give something back. Most of the time, it's a wonderful thing. It's part of that human operating system. It helps neighbors become friends. It encourages generosity. It rewards cooperation. It comes up repeatedly in the Odyssey. Civilization, he says, is reciprocity. The same principle also explains why free samples work, why charities sometimes include a small gift with their donation request, why a restaurant leaves a mint with the check, why your favorite course creator gives you a free PDF before trying to sell you the $99 package. That small favor can create a surprisingly strong feeling of obligation, and that obligation nudges our behavior to reciprocate. Follow along as we get deeper and deeper into the principles of persuasion.